Kasama ko ang aking mga special guests. Tulad na lang po nila talaga. Ako po ay produkto rin ng reality singing contest at parehas din po silang mga naging grand champions. Let's welcome back KZ Tandingan at ang aking Miss na si Yeng Constantino.
It's a black fly in your Chardonnay. It's a death row pardon to when it's too late. Isn't it ironic? Don't you think? It's like rain on your wedding day. It's a free ride when you've already paid. It's a good just didn't take, and who would have thought it figures to play it safe, was afraid to fly. He packed his suitcase and kissed his kids goodbye. He waited his whole damn life to take that flight, and as the plane crashed down, he thought, well, isn't this nice, girl? Isn't it ironic? Don't you think? It's like rain on your wedding day. It's a free ride when you've already paid. It's a good advice that you just didn't take. And who would have thought it figured?
Like this. Yep. Okay.
I want you to know that I'm happy for you. I wish nothing but the best for you both. I know the person of me is she perverted like me. Would she go down on you? I'm nothing. She's the eloquently, and would she have your baby? I'm sure she'd really make an excellent mother. 'Cause the love that you gave, that you made, wasn't able to make it enough for you to be open wide. No.